If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat not working on mobile data, you've come to the right place. I want to show you that now I'm on mobile data, and if I'll try to open Snapchat, everything is working correctly. I can easily send snaps, chat with my friends, and so on. So how can you fix this problem? The firstly you need to do is just to check your mobile data connection. Probably you maybe didn't pay for your internet and some other stuff, but if everything is okay, we need to go to App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile type, and then just search for Snapchat. So we need to open an official page here. And make sure that you have the latest version. So if you have the update or upgrade button here, we need to click and then just download the latest version. Probably after that, your problem will be automatically solved and you'll be able to use Snapchat. But if it's not, go to settings. Also on the Android, it may look a little bit different. Then click on General right up here and go to Storage. So on the iPhone, the navigation looks like this. And here we need to scroll down to find a Snapchat and then just click on it. So after that, we need to click on Offload app right up here. And all the documents and data will be deleted from our phone, and the button will be removed for Restore Data. So we need to click on Restore and the data will be re-uploaded. So after that, we need to go back to this page and then scroll down to find all the apps here, and we need to find Snapchat once more. So we'll come to the another settings and make sure that background app refresh and mobile data feature are turned on. So they should be like a green light right up here. So after that, we can simply close settings and open our Snapchat, and all the problems will be automatically solved as for us. So this is a way of how can we fix Snapchat not working on mobile data. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.